How to download and install Filmmaker Pro on Android. First of all, open the Play Store and tap the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type Filmmaker Pro. Make sure to select the official app by Certilac to avoid any fake versions. Once you find it, tap the app to go to its details page. Then tap the install button to begin downloading. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. After the download finishes, open the app directly from the Play Store or find its icon in your app list. You will likely need to grant permissions for storage and media access so the app can save and edit your videos without any issues. Approve these prompts to ensure everything works smoothly. Now you know how to download and install Filmmaker Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.